Not bad.
This week, I think worse. This week,
Yeah.
this week, they're swimming not just above. It's how we call that sauna.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's Sona with a not bad because some that is expectation, and however, some people find opportunity because they see opportunity there and they take from the dip. It's also the same with the with not only uh, that's project but also the Bitcoin project too, and
Yeah.
we discuss about what's happening in the history about the bear market. Okay, let's start the live stream. Uh, Hold on, I will share you the slide of the live stream. We will open here. Share. Yeah, and after that, okay, and this the title today, Bitcoin bear market almost over or more than ahead. Before
Yeah.
we go,
Let's greet our listeners.
yeah,
Hello, everyone. Nice to see you all again. Today is Tuesday, um, 17. Yeah, 17
yeah,
of May. So nearly half the year is gone. So just another month we'll be in June. So it's like a lot of things are happening in the bear market right now for Bitcoin.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, and uh, I will share you the total market today because last time I found this thing. Yeah, this is
Yeah. You
crypto
send me
bubble.
Telegram.
Yeah, yeah. You this last week we also can check with days ago yesterday. Um, 15 minutes. We see what crypto what thing go up increasing in last week, and this is some of the thing compared with the market like today. Like we see today the Bitcoin is decrease 0.4%. Let me change with the with the week and hour for hour, and we can see compare with the market. Yeah. This look like that, and we know now it's a red color. It's red color, and all the that means the market have a little bit correction. With around Bitcoin is around 30,000. Yeah, based on coin 360, we also can see the chart like this, similar like this, but it's yeah 29,900. Yeah, and also the blockbet and some of the analysis say expectation is may drop down. It may drop around. Later we will discuss more about it. Yeah,
I would I would think that the price would probably uh, hang around at this level for another week or so before it would actually
oh,
pick up like what others would expect. I guess so, right?
yeah,
Yeah, because now it went to the a low of 26,000 or something.
20. Yeah, last week is go lower. Low is around 26 to 27,000. Yeah,
Yeah. So just looking at the chart here, so 26,000 plus was the lowest it went in since don't know how long ago. Yeah, so it's quite for a lot of people it's like a very scary price. But
yeah,
for a lot of other people who are waiting, who have been waiting for the price to be this low, it's a great opportunity. Yeah.
yeah. Let me see. It's around the lowest, the week lowest 26,775.
This
Yeah,
was 12th of May, 12th of May, which is
yeah,
5 days.
12 of May. Yeah.
Yeah.
And also opportunity with the biggest that means scandal we also share in the last week. The scandal still happening last week, and when the bubble is a plus burst and a lot of people suffer, and that is a consequence, and it's also affect the other crypto project. Yeah, that's why all the market closing down or stock market also going down, and that's why we also have some. We have the title of this live stream. Okay, let's start with the Nicholas share to us something about
Uh,
the 1.2 billion. Yeah,
1.2 billion dollar worth of BTC being liquidated, right? So there is this very big hoo-ha on this Terra's Luna. It went from 119 in April. It was 5th of April. It was doing $119 at its high, and then suddenly 1.5 months later, it's zero now. It's like okay, 0.0000000 something, but it's still zero. Yeah. So it basically become no more value. Yeah.
yeah,
The value has just disappeared. Yeah. So on from Sunday, 8th of May, uh, no, May 14th. Yeah, the Bitcoin derivatives traders lost over 1.2 billion in liquidation. So what is this liquidation thing? Let's look at the article. Liquidation happens when traders have to close a long or short position,
yeah,
voluntary or involuntary. They have no choice. They can't
yeah,
just sit and wait and expect the price to go up when market is in such chaos. So
yeah,
is in an asset there is also okay. They have to close long or short position on an asset that has performed contrary to their expectation. That means they expect it to go up. If they are playing long, I expect it to go up. Then instead of I expect it to go up, instead of going up, it's going down. Then I have to quickly close it to minimize loss. If I'm doing a short, instead of going down, it go up. I have to do the necessary to prevent further losses.
yeah,
Yeah. So these investors are betting on Bitcoin products. Bitcoin products like what? Okay, Bitcoin products like uh, futures, options, perpetual contracts. So all these kind of products may be forced to liquidation in the event of a margin call that uh, has insufficient collateral power, I would call it, to keep the position open. So because the collateral is not enough, they have to quickly close it. Otherwise, if they have enough collateral, they can just sit and wait until the price go to their expectation. That's what happens in market. But of course, this period it goes against their expectation and things goes haywire. Let's go into the article and see. So okay, over here in the article it mentioned long positions took a brunt at the beginning, but in the midweek it began to shift as short position becomes be, being hit harder. Yeah, so of course, there are a lot of pessimistic traders. They don't look at things very optimistic way, so they are likely to expect the crypto this kind of bad situation to continue. Yeah. So instead of expecting the price to stabilize, they are probably hoping that the price will go up, fluctuate even more. Yeah. So this is the kind of situation that's happening in the market right now. So, but in every bad market situation, there's always somebody trying to make some more money.
Yeah,
There's
that's
always
right.
opportunity.
Yeah,
So
that's
people like all establishments, like all these financial institutions that are dabbling in a crypto trade and all this, they are expecting the market to move up later. So this institution, they will pour a lot of money into Bitcoin funds, Bitcoin ETF, and all this. Yeah. So when they see the current market turmoil, it's like, wow, it's a big opportunity. When everyone, it's a little bit like real estate market. Let's say the property price is in deep trouble. For example, I think 2008 there's this subprime crisis and all. There are a lot of property investment institution. They took the opportunity to just keep buying properties at a very very low price. Yeah,
yeah,
so it's something like what happened in the property market when market is in turmoil. Everyone has a panic. Everyone is selling, or they have insufficient collateral, like all those that we mentioned before. They are just keep selling, and then opportunists will come and buy, and then they will start to make a lot of money later on. Yeah, because these are the people who has the resources to hold out until the price go back to normal, according to the expectation. Now it's like what 29. It hit 26,000, and then now it went up to 33,000, come down to 30, 31. Now it's 29. So, but the previous high of Bitcoin is 50 plus, 60 plus. So this group, they are expecting BTC to at least go back up to 40 plus of 40,000, or 50,000, or even 60,000. That kind of range, that kind of margin. Yeah. So if they buy now, they are expecting to make at least 10 to 15,000 profit margin. Yeah. So
yeah,
imagine the kind of amount, that amount of money they put in to buy at this price, and when it hit a $15,000 margin, that is a big money. Yeah, you can't imagine
yeah.
that. Yeah,
And I also hope that the market will recover soon. And as Mr. Nicholas shared to us, it's an opportunity for us because last Sunday, so many people get some of the profits when the price of the lunar is dumped to the lowest point, and they think, oh, it's looking like a lottery. They just keep buying just a few dollar, and after one night they get 100 times of the profits when they sell out the few $100, and they get a few $1,000. Yeah, yeah, that's some of the nice story. But of course, there are so many sad story when the investor buy the Luna and the other crypto at the higher price, and now it's just like dust. It's just a
yeah,
few cents. Yeah, uh,
I kind
I
of feel
owe.
for them.
Yeah,
I,
it's just a few cents now.
if you and I, we bought a lot of Luna, then suddenly it all turned into ash.
Yeah, that's right. But that's right. If we think that it's just a game, it's just a lucky draw, and we just spend a few dollar, it's okay for us. Yeah. But
Yeah,
some people play the hardcore gambling. They
there,
bet.
there are people. Yeah, there are
Yeah,
people who spend uh, tens over thousand, hundreds over
yeah,
thousand.
that's right. That's right. That's why it's make a band for them, and they feel unhappy when they see opportunity, but no band, no gain, and we also can have something to say easy come and easy go. Yeah, the
Easy come, easy
yeah,
go, no pain, no
yeah,
gain, but the pain
yeah.
pain sometimes can be quite unbearable.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. Okay, let's back to the question we were asking the Bitcoin bear markets. Last week is over still ahead, more band ahead. Yeah, no band, no gain. This means when the price go down and the price may go up soon. And the question,
Assuming
yeah,
26,000 is the lowest it could go, then uh, it could bounce back up in the near future because I remember. Let me see the chart from this one day. Let's see if there's 1 week, 1 month. Okay, so according to the lowest in the lowest previous lowest, it was 29,000. This is last year June. Okay, last year June it was about 29,000 in its lowest. So
yeah,
this year April 26,000 plus is the lowest.
yeah,
So if you have a two lowest, then if you're talking about the long term perspective, uh, what's going to happen next? It should go up. It should move up. Uh, Maybe not today, tomorrow, this week. Maybe a couple of weeks later, it should go up. Yeah.
yeah. And let me share you some history. That means we also suffer so many Bitcoin crash in the history. Yeah, 2014, 2015, we may own the price decline 86.9%. Yeah, it's take a 59 week from here to here. From the end of 2013 until beginning of 20 beginning of 2015. Yeah, it takes around 413 days. Yeah, and after 413 days, the price boom up to 12,800%. It means 128 times the price of crypto were up after the at that time the price of the Bitcoin is around 1,000. Yeah, the price.
I think less than that, right?
Yeah, yeah. It's less than 1,000 bit, but the 1,000 is the peak. It's a peak
Yeah.
before the price go down, and after that it's go up to it's get back to 1,100 and go up more and furthermore. After that, that is a bear market 2014, 2015, and the second is 2018, 2019. 2018, 2019, the price go down 84%. It's coming in the beginning of 2018, around around in the end of 2017. We can remember is
2017
that,
is the
yeah,
highest point, right, for the
yeah, that's right.
20,000.
Yeah, when the price nearly hit 20,000. Yeah, and then it take around 1 year to recover to be back. Is and it's boom back 2,105%. That means it get back the 20,000, around 23,000. Yeah, after after nearly 1 year,
You
1 year.
remember, yeah,
Yeah,
sorry to cut in. You remember the few people that we met in 2018, they were saying,
yeah,
no, Bitcoin will never go to beyond 20,000 ever again, you know?
yeah, yeah,
And they were expecting, oh, Bitcoin to lose more value. And shortly after that, wow,
yeah. That's
Bitcoin
right.
uh, keep moving positively and moving up. Yeah, because
That's why.
at some point the market will want to recover. You know,
Yeah,
the amount, the number of investors involved in all this, they are hoping for it to recover, and
yeah,
true enough, it did recover. And of course, now we are in a cycle that seems to be repeating all the different price range.
Yeah, and the third one is a COVID pandemic crash. We
Mm.
can remember on the March 2020. At that
Yeah.
time, the prices go down from 7,000 is go down. If from 10,000 it's dropped down to 3,000. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah, and it's take around just 1 month to recover. Yeah, it's opportunity because when the WHO announced that COVID-19 is a pandemic, and after that, all the total market crashed. Crypto and stock market also crashed after they announced, and it's recovered very fast. And the the current one is 2022, the correction now is take around 26 weeks. The Bitcoin dropped 63.2% from the peak around 66,000 until now. And we see the unknown boom. 26,000 is nearly 3 months. It's more than 3 months. Yeah.
So what perhaps what they are trying to indicate here, or what the trend has been showing us is 26 week is too short. You need to be 50 plus weeks before it go up higher, perhaps.
Uh, because if we compare with the past, it's take around
Yeah, it took
52
about
weeks.
one
Yeah,
year, right? 52
yeah,
weeks. Yeah,
52 weeks.
so for
Uh,
it to recover into a healthy level or even beyond expectation, you need at least 52 weeks. Now we are
yeah,
halfway.
we have it, but this one take need it's only take around 4 weeks. Is this one
The
is
decline take 4 weeks, right?
yeah,
Yeah,
and because of the scandal of the Luna, and maybe a lot of people, a lot of investors move out to the market, and they need to wait. They need to be back with the normal life to recover the pain, and that's why it may take time for them to re-enter the market. And let's see, we can see the dominant of the Bitcoin now. If we compare with the last month, a few months ago, the dominant is around 39 to 40%, and now it's around 43.5%. It means that more people buy Bitcoin crypto than ever, because
yeah.
they believe more than in the uh, group of work, not a group of stack like the because some the other project they use the group of stack, and it have some issue like people that issue more and more token like Luna, and it make the market flood with a lot of token, and the price decline, the price go down. That is the reason, and it's boom down on the crypto. I also hear a lot of people says uh, uh, why the Luna and USD is go down, and what's happening? Are they the scam or the Ponzi? Of course, some of investors they don't look closely on the technical thing, the technical issue of the team, and they plan that, oh, they just doing something funny, and it's make the total market. Yeah, and I think I may have some explanation about what is algorithm stablecoin. With that one, I think we may take more time to discuss about algorithm stablecoin. It's totally different with the stablecoin, normal stablecoin like USDT or USDC. With the USD, is algorithm stablecoin. Yeah, yeah. Okay, and I think we need more time to recover the pain, and thinking more. Yeah, maybe I say maybe more than ahead. Because why? Because the team need to the team of Luna, the the Terra Foundation, they need to sell their crypto, they need to sell their Bitcoin to be back to refund, to make a fund to manage for the market and and uh, and help the other to recover their loss. Yeah, that is some of the discussion between the team and the each other with the Vitalik uh, and CZ also. Let's see what's that discussion and what the solution from the plan. Until now, they're still not confirmed about their plan. Some of the plan they say in order to increase the price they need to burn some coin, yeah, to make. But in my own opinion, doing a hard fork or burn some coin cannot create value for the coin. The only
Yeah,
thing is it must have some
it can
coin.
only be effective for a short period of time, I
Yeah,
guess.
that's right. Yeah, and we see Mr. Nicholas shared to
Yeah,
us about the
this is the BTC price. I set it to what did I set it? I set it to a week.
yeah
Yeah, a weekly view. So you see that the first top there was when uh, where, where's the date? That is April 2021 last year 2021. And then you see a very deep bottom that is at 28,000. That is July 2021. And then you see the 69,000. That is November 2021. Then you see another low, which is January 2022. But now we are even lower. So if we are looking at the trend and expecting the price to move according to how this kind of chart is moving, so the only thing that we can see is that right now we are at the lowest. We are even lower than 28,000, right? The previous low. Yeah. So since we are lower than 28,000, so uh, even if the market move even lower than that, it probably won't reach too low, but
yeah
by somehow it have to come back up, you know. Yeah. So my guess, yeah, because we are looking at how the chart, the kind of chart that the history of the price chart, we can only guess that in the next 3 months it could go back up to 40 plus thousand. Yeah, within the next
yeah
3 months, something like that.
yeah
Just guessing. Yeah, according to how this chart move, price chart move in the past. So this is what could happen. Yeah.
yeah. Next 2 months it may recover, but some of the other people from the bear team they also expectation it may go lower around 24,000, and then
Yeah.
it recover back to 43,000. Yeah, that is a bad thing. But in my own opinion, if the lunar team they sell out 85,000 BTC to the market to recover the lunar project, and the total market will have a little bit correction again, because they if they sell out the large amount of the Bitcoin go to the market, of course the price will down.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the reason why they still uh, estimate they still thinking about the way to recover the market, not selling the large amount of the that not selling the large amount of the current Bitcoin now, because if they sell out the current Bitcoin, the price will down, the price will go down, but uh, they want to they want to sell their project. They want to sell the Luna, but the price keep going down. So how can they sell? And when the total market go down, only their only their token go up is still little bit unfair. And another solution is they create another blockchain, but that's still unfair for people.
Yeah, if they're creating another blockchain, they are like telling the whole world, oh, I will abandon this one. Now this is a new one, so please come and buy the new one.
No. Of course, they will do the hard fork. They will do the hard fork, and they will send. That means they will recover the fund to the people, with from the small amount to the large amount. Uh, if you have the small amount of the Luna from the old blockchain, you can claim from the new one. Yeah, with some amounts arrange the funds similar with the half fork from the ETC to ETH, the half fork of the Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Diamond, something like that. However, with the hard fork, it also cannot create the total solution. Yeah, yeah. Because they also have the USD, one of the stable coin there. They need to recover the stable coin. Yeah, with the big with the cryptocurrency project, they need to put aside and they focus on the stable coin, make some fund, make some US dollar to put in the bank, to manage the stablecoin fund, because now the USD is only 10 cents compared with the $1. It must be one with the other stable coin. All right, and I think it's time for us to say goodbye to our audience about our discussion in the crypto market. Let's see. Uh, uh, and if you have any question, please let us know. And we hope the market will recover soon. Of course, will recover soon. And I think the world still need have a solution for the market when they have a decision. Of course, they don't want to sell the price of Bitcoin with a cheap price. They need to make
Of course.
some. Yeah,
If they sell at a low price, they can't splash a big wave.
yeah. That's why, in my own opinion, the price goes sideways and it may go up less than 40,000 and something like that, and they have a correction back to 30,000. Yeah, with the 30,000 is a uh, very strong support level, and we also still have another support level around 28,000, 26,000. Like last week, a lot of people can buy with the 28,000, 26,000. And if you buy BNB at 200,000, 200 US, and you have a 33%, yeah, like the other cryptocurrency. Yeah, on Sunday, I also can see the BNB drop to $200. Yeah, it's an
Oh,
opportunity. Yeah.
yeah, $200 is a good time to buy BNB.
Yeah. Because uh, some people are thinking uh, buy the top coin, the top from the top 10, and what with the project if they realize had the big ecosystem. With the big ecosystem is too big to fail. You may hear that too big to fail. Like if if B ETH or the other big ecosystem falling down, yeah, of course, a lot of people will be unhappy, and uh, they will have the plan to recover, and the big boss will take over this one, like the current situation with the Luna. In my own opinion, the the big whale is going to discussing to think about how to save the save the loss from the other. Yeah. Recover the fund to the other because it's hard to let the total market like that. Currently, if we forget about the Fed try to increase the rate interest rate to control the inflation. Yeah, that's the action from Fed. That's the consequence because they know that, of course, if they squeeze the USD, a lot of project, a lot of company need to tie out, need to decrease their stock, need to sell their stock to maintain current uh, their current operate, operation. Yeah, yeah. That's why it had a little bit go down. Lies that we see. It's also expectation, and let's see how the action from Fed after in the end of May. We see the end of May. There's something happen next 2 weeks. Okay. If you have any question, please let us know. And we still discuss with you weekly. And of course, after the blood betting, we feel very sad, very bad for everyone. Yeah, of course, when we discuss, and if you find something not good, please forgive and understand that. Yeah. Okay, Mr. Nicholas.
All right. Yeah, so we have covered quite a fair bit. Thank you all for joining us. Hope you guys will be able to look at this low time as a good opportunity for you to do something. Yeah, hopefully everyone gets a piece of this, and then when the price goes up again, you earn some money. Yeah, for by no means what we say here are advisors. We are just getting some information and look at the possibilities of how the market could move, how it may move. Yeah, so do your own due diligence if you are investing in a lot of other alternative coins. Yeah, so thank you all for joining us again. See you all again soon.